To add a recipe on Mealz, simply click on Add New at the top right hand corner, then click on Recipe. You can also drag and drop to upload the picture. The next thing you need to do is name and describe your recipe. If you have a video on YouTube, now would be a good time to copy and paste the link. Your next step is to choose a category, and then you decide the dish and/or cuisine if needed, as this is optional. You could also specify the menu from the list. You can now select the level of difficulty and choose the number of servings for your audience. Also, select the time frame to make your meal. The next step is to name the quantity and measurements step by step, adding more ingredients or grouping your ingredients. Your next stage is adding steps or groups of steps of your recipe, showcasing the process with pictures as an option. The final step is to decide if your recipe contains allergens. If yes, please list it. You can now save the recipe to your private cookbook, which is only visible to you, or publish this recipe on your page, which will allow your followers to see it. Thank you for watching this tutorial.